Put CDs into boiling water. It turns out they can serve a purpose most people don't know about. Drop some old CDs into a pot of boiling water. It might look strange, but don't skip this step. Keep them in for 3 minutes. Use a stick to hold them below the surface, then take them out and wipe them with paper. Apply 2 drops of liquid so that they form an arc. Trace it with a permanent marker. Take scissors and cut along the drawn shape. Repeat this step until you have 4 identical pieces. Draw a star on a piece of cardboard, trace it onto the CD, and cut it out using sharp scissors. You'll need 6 stars in total. Lay all the cut pieces on paper. Take glitter nail polish and carefully paint the surface of the CDs. Prepare a decorative ribbon. You'll need over 3 feet of it. Apply hot glue to the star, place one end of the ribbon on it, and cover it with another star. Move the ribbon along and glue on more stars, making sure they align perfectly. Then glue the previously cut arcs above them. Finish the ribbon with a loop. Take another piece of ribbon and glue CD pieces at different distances, starting with a star, then adding a crescent. Hang these decorated ribbons on your curtains. They'll make a beautiful decoration, reflecting light wonderfully and looking stunning.